How are you, year 7? I hope that all is well with all of you. Today I'm going to discuss the first homework back to our online learning. So the very first one is about sequences. So let's have a look at the first one. So write the five terms. So first five terms. So terms of the sequence are the numbers. So starting with 1 and add 5. So the instruction is simple. I'm going to start with 1 and to get the next one, I need to add 5. So 1 add 5 is 6. 6 add 5 is 11. 11 add 5 is 16. Since I need 5 terms, one more, 16 add 5 is 21. Okay? So you're dealing with positive numbers here. The next one would be I will start with 30 and then subtract 4. So this time I'll be going down. Okay? 30 take away 4, it will be 26 is the next one. And then from 26, again I'll take away 4. That will be 22. Take away 4, 18. Take away 4, 14. Okay. Next one, start with 11. This time I'm going up because it's add 9. So that will be add 9 is 20. Add 9 is 29. Add 9 is 38. And add 9 is 47. Okay. So next one. So starting from 8. So we need to be careful here because this will involve negative numbers. Starting with 8. So take away 4, that means you're going down the number line. So that would be 8 take away 4 is 4. 4 take away 4 is 0. 0 take away 4 is minus 4. So remember, you're starting from 0 and you're moving to the left for you. So from 0 you go down to minus 4. Same thing, minus 4. Subtract 4, move to the left 4 units so that you will end up minus 8. So you need to think of your number line. And then minus 10 is the start here. So again, think of your number line. So from minus 10, this time you're adding 6. So you need to move to the right. So minus 10, starting from minus 10, add 6. Move to the right 6 units, you will end up minus 4. Okay? So from minus 4, you add 6, move to the right 6 units, you will end up with 2. And then add 6 again, so that would be 8. Add 6 again, that would be 14. Okay. Don't use the calculator. Think of your number line. You see what happens here? Since you're adding 6. So from minus 10 plus 6. So 1 is a minus, a 10, and a plus 6. Really, what you're looking at is the difference between 10 and 6, which is 4. But because minus 10 is bigger, then you take minus 4. And then from minus 4, again, plus 6. So the difference, 1 is a minus 4, and then a plus 6. So you take 6, take away 4 is 2. And because plus 6 is bigger, you put plus 2. Okay, for the last one, we're starting with 4. Again, really, you need to think of your number line. Subtract. So take away 3 is minus. Take away 3 is 1. Take away 3, so starting from 1. So subtract 3 means you move from 1, 3 units to the left. So you will end up at minus 2. Again, subtract 3 from here. So from minus 2, move 3 units to the left, you'll have minus 5. So minus 5, minus 8. So you're moving to the left 3 units. Okay? So those are the simple rules of add and subtract or add and take away. Let's have the value now. So this time you have a sequence and you need to describe the rule. So the first thing you need to do if you see a sequence is look at the first and second term. So think about what happened. So it went up from 5 to 7. Up means plus 2. And let's see if the same thing is happening in the next one. So you look at the two consecutive terms, 7 and 9, went up again, and that's plus 2. So you have verified the rule. So the rule is add 2, and therefore you'll have keep adding 2, 13 and 15. These are even odd numbers. Okay, so for this one, again, still going up. To go from 11 to 16, you go by 5. Let's see if it's happening here. 16 to 21. The same thing, add 5. Okay, so the rule is add 5. So when we apply it here, you add 5, you add 5. Okay, next one. So from 22 to 19, it's not going up. It goes down by 3. So it's minus 3. Let's verify if the same thing happens in 19 to 16. Again, it goes down by 3. So again, minus 3. Okay, so the rule will be subtract 3 or minus 3 or take away 3. Yeah? So we do that here. So that we do 13 take away 3 is 10. 10 take away 3 is 7. Next one. So to go from minus 1 to 2, again, you need to think of your number line. It goes up by 3. And because it's going up, it's plus 2. So from 2 to 5, you can verify easily that it goes up by 3. So that's plus 3. So the rule is plus 3 or add 3. They mean the same. So you keep adding 3. 8 add 3, 11. 11 add 3, 14. Okay? So again, you need to be careful when you are dealing with negative numbers. So starting from 6, you go down to 2. So you go down by 4. So that should be take away 3, take away 4. Let's see if you go down by 4 also here. So from 2 to minus 2, think of your number line. You also go down by 4. So minus 4. Minus 4 or subtract 4. So if you keep doing that, minus 6, minus 4, if you think of the number line, means you move to the left. So you will end up back to minus 10. Same thing, starting from minus 10, move to the left 4 units, you go to minus 14. And the last one would be, okay, really you need to think of your number line. From minus 42 to minus 35. So you're not going, if you think of your number line, you're moving to the right because minus 42 is from the far left and minus 35 is going towards 0. So you're moving to the right. Yeah. So minus 42 to minus 35 is a plus. By how many units do you go? So to do that, you see the distance between minus 42 and minus 35 is really 42 take away 35, which is 7. Let's see if it's the same thing here. So think of minus 35 and you're moving to the right. So that should be a plus. By how many units do you move from 35 to 28? So really, it's the difference between 35 and 28, which is 7. So everything is plus 7. You can also verify. Yeah? Everything is plus 7 or add 7. So that would be our add 7. So again, if you keep thinking of the number line, you're going to the right. So it will be a plus 7. So that would be a plus 7 here. And that would be minus 14 plus 7 minus. Okay? Now, going now here. So this time, patterns are associated in many cases to some drawing. For example, this is the first one, which is a square with a diagonal. The second one would be, you can see two squares and the corresponding diagonals are included. Now let's see what happens as we go from this square, from this pattern here to this pattern. So really, starting from the old pattern here, you're going to add 1, 2, 3, and then including the diagonal, 4 sticks. Okay? And then the same thing, starting from these two squares here with the diagonals, starting from here, you're adding another 4 sticks. So first, second, third, and fourth stick. So I think more or less you know what's happening. You're adding 4 sticks. Now write the pattern as a number sequence. So initially, the first pattern has 5 sticks. So as we said, you need to add 4, so that will be 9 sticks. So from these 9 sticks, you add another 4, that will be 13. So this is exactly the number sequence. 5, 9, 13. The next one, as you can see, describe the rule, would be add 4 sticks, or simply add 4. Now finding the next 5 terms of the sequence. So you keep adding 3, the next term would be, keep adding 4, the next term would be 17, another 4, the next term would be 21, another 4, the next term would be 25, another 4, the next term is 29, and the last one would be another 4, 33. Okay, so that's how you associate patterns using drawings and numbers. So the idea is to see how many are being added in this case. Okay, so I think that's it, and yeah, hopefully you understand everything. See you in another video.